When you go to check the oil in your car, you usually expect to see at least a little bit of oil on your dipstick. But when you go to check the oil in your car one day like I did, and you see that your dipstick looks like this, that's typically not a very good thing. My car is a 2006 Honda Civic, and as you can see, I kind of ran out of oil. And there's really two reasons for that. The car burns a little bit of oil, which I knew when I bought it, and the other thing I also knew about when I bought it, but the valve cover gasket is a little bit leaky. It wasn't that bad when I got it, so I wasn't really in much of a rush to replace it, but apparently it's gotten much worse, and you can see there's a lot more oil around where the actual gasket goes. So today we're going to go buy the valve cover gasket, some extra tools that I don't have that we need to replace it, then we're going to actually replace it. So anyways, let's go buy a bunch of stuff, then we can figure out how to actually replace it. Alright, we're back home now. We got all the stuff that we think we're gonna need. So the next thing to do is to get the car into the garage without starting the engine because, well, there's not really any oil in it. And it'd be kind of nice to have the engine nice and cold while we're working on it. So that is the next issue. Go. We're getting set up here. We got a nice light professionally attached to the hood so we can see what we're working on. Yo, look, there's my engine. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but the gasket we took out was in pretty rough shape. It was super brittle, super easy to crack right in half. It was just awful. We got the new gasket put in the valve cover now, so now we just gotta put it back on the actual engine. What did you... Oh, that's close. Here we're just pushing the car out of the garage part way so we don't fill the entire garage with exhaust.
Alright, that's good.
The whole thing shades.
Deodorant on it.
What? Actually?
There was a one thing that... Hey, Landon. Yeah?
Yeah, it's real fast.
There we go, we got the valve cover gasket replaced, got some more oil in there. We are going to get an oil change in the next couple of days. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more Civic videos like this, you can click right here for a full playlist about those, and I will see you over there.